The fact that we have a very clear vision for this business and part of the wider group, as that reflects on those individuals. So from day one, they will know where they can be. Again, it's down to their own capabilities, but actually the training we give with that, for me, is second to none. I know I'm biased, but it is second to none in the fact that we can get these new consultants into the positions and the career path they want, and it's a very clear and decisive goal. Yeah, we actively encourage people to have a say, and no idea is a bad idea. Do we follow every idea through? No, we can't, because that's just not how businesses run. But ultimately, everyone has a voice, and to be able to give their opinion on how we should move forward and how we could or can complete our goal. Job opportunity, the diverse nature of our business, how we go after new opportunities, the vision we have, the leadership team. More than any of that are really the consultants that work within the business. They're all very hungry, very interesting to work with. You know, they're inspiring to the leadership team just as hopefully we are to them. There's lots of different rewards away from the normal of, you know, your healthcare benefits and your commissions. I think the real benefit that we offer is that future planning for people. We encourage them to grow, because if they grow, our business grows. And really, especially over the last 18 months, it's been our training plan for people, and to see how the consultants are moving from trainee into consultant into senior and principals, and then looking at future leaders of the business. I think they're realising themselves that that's probably one of our biggest assets. Yeah, it's great. We always encourage family and social activities. It's not just about the individuals and just about the business. You know, we want people to encourage their family lifestyle as well. Recruitment is a very demanding industry and long hours, and that can deter from that. But really, family is what it's all about. So we will always encourage that and try to get them involved as much as possible. Social activities, there's always quarterly trips, nights out for everyone to team build. This year there'll be a half year and then an end of year event where everyone within the Recruit business will go. So that's, as we see, the front office, which we'll class as a recruitment, and as well as all our payroll, HR and everything, and beyond there. Probably the best one we've ever done was where we had It's a Knockout, where everyone went to Birmingham and a hotel, and we booked the hotel out, and it was a knockout, so lots of inflatables, and then there was a night out and things like that, and that was really good fun. As well as obviously our golf competitions we do, and just the general social life of it as a whole is really good.